Hey everyone, so today I wanted to just briefly show you what was released on first Friday of April, and also show you what came in the March subscription kits. I'll do the new releases, the first Friday releases first, and then the subscription kit after, just in case you haven't received yours yet, which pretty much everyone should have received it already, but in case you haven't and you still want to be surprised, I'll give you fair warning of when I'm about to open up this package. So I'll just go through these first. So I'll start with the first Friday freebie. So every first Friday, I upload a free download on the website. So this month, this is actually a redesign of a popular card that came in one of our subscription kits. It's the same quote, "Don't be like the rest of them, darling," by Coco Chanel, but this font has changed. The original one had my hand lettering, and I decided to change it to this font that I've been using lately. I really like this font a lot, so this is a free download on my website, and this is a very pale pink color, but I also offer it in just a plain white, so if you want to print it out on a different colored paper, whatever color paper you like, or if you want to foil it so it's just white background with black like text and font. So I hope you guys like that. And then here is the first Friday release, which was the May kit. So this kit is themed Me Time, and basically, you know, May is for Mother's Day, but I don't like to make my kits too specific to any particular holiday, or most of the time I try not to. So I decided to do Me Time since, you know, that can really relate to Mother's Day, since a lot of us moms like to have just our own time to do our own things. Or this can be like an anytime kind of kit. So you might have noticed that there's a little crown here, and this is something that I did for this month. I might continue it on, maybe not, but I'll explain more about that little crown when I talk about the subscription kits. But anyways, so this is the May monthly kit. This is sheet A, which always has the deco, the icons, the mini flags, the this month, next month stickers, and some small washi strips. And then this is sheet B with 8 full boxes, and these are a little bit smaller than the standard 1.5 inch full boxes. These are 1.25 inch wide. And so you have 8 of these, and then you have just a small mini washi strip there, just because I had the extra space. I really love this. This is probably really truly one of my favorite kits so far that I've put together. This is sheet C, which has the half boxes, the quarter boxes, and the flags. And I added a little bit of the little deco here on some of the boxes, which I thought was really cute, especially this little like TN. You could just write directly onto that TN. I thought that was cute. And then here's sheet D, which always has the headers. This is some extra headers in that pale pink color, and then some bottom washi. So these are like thicker washi, like that thick, 2 strips. So that's sheet D. And then the freebie, I didn't get a chance to print out the smaller freebie. This is actually the freebie that comes with the monthly subscription stickers. So the regular, if you order this May kit directly from the shop, not through a subscription, then you'll get the same freebie, but it'll just be half the size. So however many I could fit, maybe 2 or maybe 4 of these TN little stickers. I thought it'd be cute to put reminders or meetings or anything like that in your planner pages with these stickers. So if you place an order directly with the shop, whether it be stickers, inserts, whatever, any orders in April that are directly from the shop will get the smaller version of this freebie sampler. So that is the new releases for First Friday for April. And then now I'm going to show you what came in the subscription kit. So you can click out now if you don't want to see, but basically usually I have the subscription kits for the stationery come in a black paper bag, and usually it's just a plain washi tape here, but this month I did this little crown washi, which I got from, I believe it's Little Miss Papery. I got this washi from her shop, and I put it here because this is kind of the theme, and that kind of goes along with what I was saying here with this crown. So this crown, the whole theme for this particular kit is the Dreamgirls & Co. So some of you might have heard about it already because I kind of talk about it sometimes on the Planner Spot Instagram and stuff. I started a blog, I started a Instagram account for Dreamgirls & Co. and we have a Facebook group. And so that's basically an extension of the Planner Spot, and it's more about the dream building and goals and inspiration. And then the Planner Spot, you know, the stuff, the stickers, the inserts and stationery is planning toward those goals and dreams and stuff like that. So anyways, that's just the short story of it, but I thought it would be fun to theme a kit after Dreamgirls. So the Dreamgirls kind of logo is a crown. So I put this crown washi here. And then when you open it, it looks like this. And so inside, you always get 2 like miscellaneous stationery items, 1 freebie, and 4 sticker sheets. So let me start with the freebie. So the freebie is this journaling card. This is a pocket-sized journaling card on thick cardstock. The background this month is just white with a marble pattern, and it's the quote, "Be the girl of your dreams," which is kind of like the quote I use for Dreamgirls & Co. And so I thought that came out really cute with the marble background. So that was the freebie. And then the 2 stationery items were, number 1, this patch, this peace sign patch. It is adhesive. So a lot of you may have noted or remembered that I use a similar patch, adhesive patch in my planner, and every time I post a picture of it, everybody, I mean not everybody, but a lot of people always ask me, where did I get it? Where can I find it? The particular one that I had I don't think it's being sold anywhere, so I actually had Nicole from Sequins and Paper draw up the artwork, and then I submitted it to a company to make our own patches. So that's one of the items that came in the March stationery subscription. So I thought it was really cute. This has to do with Dreamgirls & Co. because it has to do with like good vibes. So that's what that is about. And then the second stationery item you got are some foil planner cards. So again, here's this crown. This crown is actually hand doodled by me, and then we just printed it and foiled it up. So this is just a white cardstock, again that thick cardstock here. So you got a crown, we got good vibes, because again that's that whole thing. I thought it would even be cute if you put these together, good vibes. And then lashes, because the thing about like the whole kind of thought process behind Dreamgirls & Co. is basically can be summed up with these 3 cards. First of all, like creativity, being, you know, crowning yourself as like queen, boss, and all that stuff. That's what the crown represents. And then good vibes is just having that positivity and also kind of like love and collaboration with other creatives and hustlers and stuff like that. And then the third one is these lashes because it has to do with also showing up, how you show up in the world, the way you're dressing, the way you're, you know, presenting yourself to others. So these are like the three things. This is like the overarching kind of like, I guess, theme, and then these two underneath, the inside and then the outside. Hopefully that makes sense, but that was my thought process behind that. And then you get 4 sticker sheets. So this month I decided to do kind of a self-care. Well, it goes along with the whole Dream Girls & Co vibe. So again, like I said, there's the inside and the outside. So this has to do kind of with the outside, but also it's taking care of your inside as well, because I think a lot of us neglect to do self-care. So these are like little, like a light pink, like a blush pink background of icons. So you have, I was actually looking for a face mask, but I couldn't find a good one that I really liked. So I kind of did this, you know, like a girl with the towel on her head that you can kind of use for any of that kind of stuff, like spa day kind of things. And then a little lipstick for makeup, nail polish for mani-pedi, tub for that bath time, because I know a lot of people like to take baths. Or, you know, like I'm a shower person myself, but this kind of just represents downtime to me. So I would even use that even though I don't really take baths. And then scissors for getting your hair done. So I thought those came out really cute. And then we have these lettering. So this has to do with dreamer. So these are kind of just like inspirational and motivational kind of quotes. You have hustle and heart, she persisted, make it happen, you got this, she designed a life she loved, get busy living, dream plan do, building my empire, crown yourself, and she believed she could, so she did. So I thought that would be cute to decorate your inserts with, or your dashboards with just these inspirational quotes. And then I have these functional little note doodles. So I hand doodled these as well. So it's just kind of be like sticky notes or note papers with a little paper clip. There's a very light gray watercolor background. And so I thought it would be cute to write just little reminders, meetings, notes, anything you want. There's 4 smaller ones and 3 bigger ones. And then the last sheet is this deco, and I named it Dream Girl. I try to incorporate like the outer and the inner kind of thing. So you have some lashes, makeup, and like outfit. And then these are like the dreamer things. This says girls just want to be CEO. And then coffee, these books down here with the laptop on top of the stack says more hustle daily, girls just want to be CEO, inspiration now, this book is going to change your life, digital design, my daily plans, life and style. So I thought it was like kind of that whole dream girl vibe. And then this is just stickers because I could not include this sticker. This is actually one whole sticker. I thought it was so cute. So I added it there just because. So yeah, that's what came in the stationery kit. These 4 sticker sheets, these 3, where's the other one? Oh, these 3 foiled cards, this peace sign patch, and this journaling card. So that's the stationery kit. And then if you subscribe to the sticker kits, if you subscribe to the full sticker kit, you get what I just showed you a minute ago that was released on First Friday. So you get all these 4 sheets plus this freebie. Oops, this way. Plus this freebie. And then if you did the mini sticker kit, if you're a mini sticker kit subscriber, you get, oops, not that one. You get the sheet A as just like the full kit, But then the sheet B is this modified sheet B, which combines these two sheets into one. So you get 4 full boxes, and then one set each of like the plain outline, the gray, the pink, and the marble, with the little icons or little deco there in the half boxes. So if you subscribe to the mini sticker kit, then you get these 2 sheets and the deluxe freebie. And then if you subscribe to the combos, then of course you get, like, if you do the mini kit combo, you get the mini sticker kit plus the stationery kit. And then if you subscribe to the full kit combo, then you get the full sticker kit plus the subscription kit. So yeah, that is all that came out recently for our April First Friday release and our subscription. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I know a lot of you have been waiting for a flip through of my new Chanel planner, or new to me Chanel planner. It's actually pre-loved, like vintage-ish. It's hard to find type of thing. I'm just waiting on one more thing for that planner, and then I'll be all set to do a flip through. So I'm pretty sure that will happen next Sunday. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, yeah, like I said, I hope you like this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.